Hey guys, I'm back. Wanted to tell you today's the day. Today's the day we're gonna get that big boat. Uh, got some stuff ready. I got 2 trucks. We're gonna go over and we're gonna try to hook to this big ass boat and pull it back home here. Today is Tuesday, June the 18th, and just wanted to show you some things back here. I'm trying to take precautions of everything that we're going to need. Extra tires, air, grease gun, some blocking, fire extinguishers. I got a permit to actually haul the boat down. We're going to try to take some video today of us bringing the boat down, but I'm going to start making little short videos of the boat. So stay tuned with us. We'll try to get some video throughout the day, and we'll talk to you soon. I'm scared to death. Hey, I need you to come over here and fix this mirror in the front end. That way, a little more. Just a little bit. Down, just a little bit. Down? Just a little bit. Here we go. You can stand in the road. Look at this, guys. I already got the bilge working. There was a crap load of water in it because there was a broken window up here. But I'm getting ready to cover that up. Man, it's shooting right out of there, isn't it? That's getting a high-powered one when I'm done with it. Hey guys, got all the water pumped out of the boat and actually moved it from one side of the house to the other. So we got it home safely, no issues, didn't see one cop. The $15 I bought for the permit, oh well, if I hadn't had it, I would have got caught. Not sure I'm going to buy one next time. But hey, stay tuned. We're going to start going over this boat one item at a time and working on it and fixing it, and going to bring you guys along. Hey, if you like the video, please share it, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks guys.